Hello, I'm Rossella from Claritystamp, and today I want to tell you about one of my favourite products, and it's the humble Groovi guard. This is a brilliant piece of kit. It needs to be on your desk. What do I use it for? So, for one, I use it to store my Groovi tabs on when I'm not using them. So they peel off perfectly, don't leave any residue. So let's just attach it to this plate here. Now the plate I've got here is a lovely nested circles plate. It's a large plate, A4. So let's just attach that there. Now, the thing I find with the larger basic shapes is that when you emboss them, let's just give it a bit of a rub over first. If you don't use your Groovi guard and you'll work your way around this circle, oops, missed there, let's go back round. Now, you'll find that as you go round, that your parchment, because it's a large area, it's going to do a little bit of a wave at you there, and it means that you're not going to get, when you get all the way around, it's not going to join up. Get your Groovi guard, then what you can do is you can keep it under control. That needs a little bit more of a rub there. So move your Groovi guard around with you, and what it's going to do is then going to flatten that parchment out as you work around. So for me, absolutely invaluable for going around large shapes. The other thing that it's doing whilst I'm going around, it's keeping my sweaty paws off the parchment. So if you've got any moisture on your hands at all, you don't want it to touch that parchment. So use your Groovi guard, protect your parchment. So that's two things I use it for. What else? Okay, let's go painting. So what we've got here, we've got Perga colours. It's a perfect palette for use with your Perga colours. So you just lay your colour down. Let's get a little bit of water there. Pick your paint up with your paintbrush, and then you're good to go. So great for a palette, and then all you need to do then is just wipe it off afterwards. Then other things, how about lining up letters and alphabets? So let's just pop that to the side. I'm going to use our deboss alphabet here and the Groovi Go plate mate, keep it in place. Great deboss alphabet, the letters are the right way up, so it's really easy then to line up. Just going to use a little bit of tissue, if I can find some, there we go, to wipe that off, that palette. So let's say I'm going to spell Rosie. So a little bit of parchment, and again, let's give it a whiz over with that tumble dry sheet. So let's start with the R. Okay, I'm using the Pergamano 1mm tool for this. And then we want to go to the O. I've got lines on my Groovi guard, which means that then I can line up exactly where it's going, and then I can get my writing straight. So let's move over to Rosie. I like this plate because it's the right way around. And there we go, we've got Rosie. Pretty straight there. So what else do we use it for? Perforating. Brilliant for perforating. So I'm just going to go onto my perforating mat. What you'll find when you're perforating, let's choose a multi-needle tool, is that when you perforate without your Groovi guard, you'll perforate and then, can you see it's pulling up? You need to support it, you really need to support it, particularly as that tool's coming out. But what you don't want to support it with is your fingers. So if you use your Groovi guard, then you're going to be able to support it, and then you're going to be able to press against it there, which means that as those needles come through, let's reline that up, it's going to support it either side of your perforations. And that's really, really important, because you don't want to tug your parchment because then it might rip. And then, you know, the other thing that this Groovi guard's really, really great for is standing your coffee on it later. Thank you very much for watching.